Superverse is waking the market up again, and today's 12% pump has pushed the project right back into the conversation. Trading around 27 cents, Supercoin is showing the kind of strength that usually comes when a gaming-focused ecosystem catches a wave of new attention. The crypto market in general has been firing up, liquidity is coming back into mid-cap altcoins, and Superverse is one of those names that always responds fast when momentum shifts. But this move feels a bit more organic, almost like traders aren't just chasing a pump but betting on something happening behind the scenes. A big part of the renewed hype comes from how rapidly Web3 gaming is expanding again in the US market. Several game studios have recently announced transitions into blockchain-based reward systems, and every time gaming headlines pop, Superverse benefits because it sits right in the middle of that intersection between interactive entertainment and crypto utility. Over the last week, social media chatter around Superverse has climbed noticeably, and engagement from US creators covering gaming crypto hybrids has jumped. When retail energy returns to the sector, tokens like Supercoin tend to outperform because they have both a narrative and a working ecosystem behind them. Another reason the current pump feels convincing is the increased activity around the Superverse marketplace and NFT analytics tools, which have shown a spike in on-chain participation. Even if the broader NFT market isn't roaring like 2021, the infrastructure plays, the platforms powering the next generation of digital assets, are getting fresh traction. Superverse has been rolling out updates to its creator tools, improving accessibility for game developers who want to integrate digital collectibles without navigating overly complex blockchain code. Those incremental improvements rarely trend on Twitter, but they do impress investors who understand long-term utility. Still, Supercoin is no stranger to volatility. Just as it pumps fast, it can cool off quickly when the market mood shifts. But what sets today apart is how consistent the bid has been. This isn't a flash spike or a one-hour candle. It's a sustained upward push supported by rising volume, and that often suggests accumulation rather than a temporary rally. Traders in the US have been particularly active during the session, which adds confidence because American trading hours often dictate short-term sentiment for gaming tokens. Looking ahead, Superverse future targets depend heavily on ecosystem expansion. If they continue improving onboarding for non-crypto gamers and keep enhancing the user experience of their digital asset platform, then the long-term trajectory stays bullish.